in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP PageWide Pro 577DW series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to just type in HP PageWide Pro 577DW support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP PageWide Pro 577DW multifunction printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down, you want to select underneath driver product installation software where it says HP PageWide Pro 577DW multifunction printer series full software solution. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. And it should be a signed verified publisher by HP Inc. So if you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes, and then just go ahead and make sure your printer's turned on and connected to your network, and then you can proceed with the installation wizard here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.